really quick video to show you how to turn your classic Klean Kanteen bottles, classic water bottles and insulated water bottles into bottles that can take fizzy drinks using the Growler or swing lock cap set that you can buy. In the swing lock cap set you get a number of different parts. You get this bit, you get the top itself, and then you get these two little rings, and the smaller one is for your regular bottle and the larger one is for insulated bottles, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I'll start with a classic bottle. Take your lid off and you put this around the top. Now make sure that the angled bit is pointing down and just push it on. Dead simple. And you take your smaller little circle ring thing and then you have to push that onto here. A little bit tricky, but not too hard. Once you've done that, take the cap itself and you slot the first bit in and then push so that the other bit goes. And that's that. Ready for whatever fizzy drinks you want to throw in there. The reason you need these is because fizzy drinks build up pressure with the gas in them. So if you had a lid like this, for instance, when you take the cap off, there's a danger of it exploding off. So you put this on, when it releases, it's stuck. Okay, and to take this off, open it up, take this side, squeeze it together, pull it out, take your little ring off, and then there we go. So next we're going to do the insulated bottle. Now this is an insulated bottle in lemon curry. It's a 20 ounce, and the reason, even though the openings are the same size, this neck is ever so slightly wider because of the insulation in the bottle, which is why you need this other ring instead of the small one. So same again, make sure that's angled down, put it over the top, and you need to get the ring over this. Use the bigger one. Now this is not easy. It does work, but it's not easy. I think the non-painted bottles are what these are designed for, and that layer of paint just makes it that little bit trickier to get on. You're gonna have to really squeeze, and if you have some thin pliers, it might be worth getting them out to squeeze that together and get this on. It takes a lot of force. Okay, and now it's on. Same as before, this bit seems easy in comparison now. So you take this, push it in, job done, ready for whatever you want to put in. Whew. Another thing to mention is that with the painted bottles you are quite likely to scratch around the top when you're installing these, so if you're precious about your paint, maybe avoid using this cap, and you could always get a stainless steel one without any paint finish on it. That's what Klean Kanteen recommends. If you're not too worried about that kind of thing, go for it. So there you go, that's how you turn your regular bottles into fizzy drink bottles.
Bring it to me, bring your sweet love.